I'm out here helping today at the Paradise Valley Country Club for the facility tour, which is so important to the superintendents because they are getting hands-on training. This particular topic today at this course is water solutions. One of the hosts today is Rob Collins, and he's the General Manager of Greens and Grounds here at Paradise Valley. And I've seen a lot of the attendees stay afterwards some of the sessions to speak with him individually to get more information. So we really appreciate his help today.
I'm talking about community engagement and just becoming involved. I think much of the country has heard about changes with the Colorado River and its availability of water. And Arizona is one of the 7 basin states, so we're really tuned in. It's affecting golf, and we want to be prepared. What I've shared with a number of the groups already is I think what we take for granted is that we are the true expert at our property. We don't always like playing that role. But the reality, in my case, I've spent 29 years here at this property. I know it better than anyone else. I understand how we use water. I understand how to reduce it. That's important information. But what it does is it makes me credible. And it makes me credible in every conversation, whether it's with our members or it's with the state government.
I've been impressed with the response from the attendees today. It's been great to see the positive attitude and the open-mindedness of the superintendents regarding new technology like using soil moisture sensors or subsurface drip irrigation. I think everyone's out there just looking for something new, something, that edge that's going to help them produce better conditions at their golf course with perhaps less labor. And our topic specifically is about changing the way golf course superintendents think about scheduling irrigation on their golf course. So scheduling irrigation based on evapotranspiration has been historically the way golf course superintendents schedule irrigation, but we're talking about pivoting to using soil moisture data to schedule irrigation. Golf course superintendents are used to doing that on putting greens. In fact, the numbers are sky high, over 90%, but scaling that out to fairways and roughs is something that hasn't been done all that much in the golf course industry, but there's a huge potential to save water and to improve the playability of fairways and roughs, basically make a firmer, faster golf course for golfers to enjoy.